Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to make a quick demo of the Clerk Quotes app. You can watch other videos in our help center for more information. With the Clerk Quotes app we can create quotes for our clients and track their statuses. And if we use Clerk Invoices app, we can create invoices from quotes. Let's look at how the app works. In the Quotes tab, we can see a list of quotes for entire year with a quoted amount graph. And if we open particular months, we see a quotes for this month. In the Clients tab, we can see a list of clients with totals, and we can also see a list of quotes of a particular client. Creating quotes is very easy. We can add time-based lines, fixed price lines, or add discounts and taxes. We can export quotes to PDF or CSV, and we can email quotes to clients or share quotes by a secret public link. We can customize quote mockups. Here we can rearrange blocks, add more rows, format data, and we can use variables that will be replaced by real quote data. We also can upload images like logos. If the quote is accepted, we can easily create invoice from it. All we need to do is just click one button. It opens the Clerk Invoices app with the data from the quote. So all we need to do is just click Save the invoice. And we have the invoice ready. Please watch more videos in our help center for more information. And you can try more our financial apps for Jira, like Clerk Budgets for money and time budget tracking, or Clerk Products for keeping a database of your fixed price items for your invoicing or quotes. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.